How to check the motor with a homemade test cord. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Turn the dryer around or go behind the dryer. Remove the terminal block cover plate and remove the back panel. You will need to make a test cord like this. To make one, take an extension cord about 10 feet long and attach 2 insulated alligator clips to it. Find the blue and white wires coming from the motor. Strip a little bit of the insulation on the wires, like this. Clip the alligator clips to the blue and white wires. Make sure the alligator clips are making a good connection to the wires. Put electrical tape to hold in place the alligator clips and insulate them. Connect the test cord to the wall outlet. If the motor is good, it should start running with no effort like this. If the motor growls, has a hard time starting, or it doesn't start at all, the motor is bad and it must be replaced. To test the motor to see if the motor overheats, let the motor run for 60 minutes. Make sure that you don't leave the dryer unattended while you are testing the motor, especially if you have kids or pets around. Disconnect the test cord from the wall outlet. Wait about 5 seconds and connect it back to the wall outlet. If the motor starts and runs without much effort, then the motor should be okay. But if the motor has a hard time starting, or it won't start at all, the motor is bad and must be replaced. That was the easier way to check the motor, without having to take the dryer apart.